If 1 omega omega square are the 3 cube roots of unity, then for alpha, beta, gamma, delta element of R, the expression, this expression is which of the following? Here we have denominator equal to beta plus alpha omega square plus gamma omega plus delta omega equal to 1 by omega into beta omega plus alpha omega cube plus gamma omega square plus delta omega square. Since W is a cube root of unity, W cube equal to 1. This is equal to 1 by omega into beta omega plus this is 1. So alpha plus gamma omega square plus delta omega square. This is equal to 1 by omega into alpha plus beta omega plus gamma omega square plus delta omega square. This is equal to 1 by omega into numerator. Now this is denominator. Now omega numerator upon denominator equal to omega. So the correct option is option B.